Today, we're adding a beautiful sunlight rays effect to your footage, a great trick to make your video feel warmer, more cinematic, and full of natural light. It works perfectly for outdoor shots, travel edits, morning vlogs, and any scene that needs soft glowing light. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap the clip to select it. Now, head down to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. And remember, all video effects in CapCut Mobile apply directly onto your clip. From the categories, go to the Decor tab, look for an effect called Sun Effect, then tap to apply it. The moment you add it, you'll notice bright sun rays streaming across your footage, giving the shot a warm, glowing golden hour feel. To fine tune the look, tap the effect again. You'll see two sliders. Speed adjusts how quickly the rays move. Slide right for fast moving rays, or left for a slow, soft drift. Atmosphere controls how strong and luminous the rays appear. Increasing it gives you a brighter, more dramatic sunbeam effect. Decreasing it makes the look softer and more natural. You can also drag the effect on the timeline to decide how long the sunlight rays stay visible. And that's it. You've successfully added the sunlight rays effect in CapCut Mobile, a simple and powerful way to brighten up your scene. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.